Howdy, this is Michael Good from ReaperTrades.com, and here I just have a short little video that shows a HOD list, H-O-D, for High of the Day list. This comes from one of my brokers, Speed Trader, and it just shows every single stock within certain parameters that are making a new high of the day. And this can be customized, the one at Speed Trader, to limit stocks to, say, stocks only up a certain percentage, or stocks that are in a certain price range, and to limit stocks below a certain volume. So I usually have it set to show me any stock, I think between like 50 cents or 40 cents and $20 up on at least 100,000 shares. And so each one here, so JetBlue right now, it's at its day's high, $5.70, a CAS. And this is what I use in chat to identify stocks that are making new highs. There's other screeners you can use, but this is the quickest way to find stocks that are breaking out, stocks that are moving, stocks that are spiking. And I highly, highly, highly encourage using one if at all possible. I don't often trade off of it, but when I do, it's very helpful, and I wouldn't have found the stocks otherwise. So brokers that have HOD lists, or high of the day lists, include Scottrade, and you can use Scottrades if you have only $500 in your account, the minimum. You don't need to make any trades, it doesn't cost anything, and you can just leave $500 in a Scottrade account and then you can use it. I'll show you briefly Scottrades right here. The thing I don't like about Scottrade's list is that it's not customizable. So it just shows everything, which means it can often scroll too fast for me to follow, which is why I don't use it very much. And then it has highs and lows over here. And it's interesting, today the market's up 4%, so most of the lows of stocks are still up a bunch. So also with Speed Trader, it does have on the other side, to the side of this, it shows lows of the day. I just don't use that because I tend not to short sell stocks that are making new lows, and I don't like dip buying. So people that like that could use that, but I stick to just stocks making a new high, and I find that useful. Other brokers that have this, Lightspeed probably has the best one. It's more customizable than Speed Trader's. It will show you the volume if you want. For example, that's one feature I like, because then you can see volume spikes on the HOD list without having to bring up a quote. And also, you can have it scroll either way. I don't like how Speed Trader scrolls from the top to the bottom. I like scrolling from the bottom to the top. Other brokers, so there's Scottrade, Lightspeed, Speed Trader. I think maybe eTrade Pro might have it. Equity Feed has a similar feature, I think. Equity Feed is expensive. And there's a trading platform called HydroTrade. I used that with one of my brokers before, and that has a HOD list. And I don't know what all brokers use that, though. It was a pretty specialized broker I was using that used that, and I wasn't overall happy with the software HydroTrade. But anyway, those are the different places you can find HOD lists, and I encourage you to sign up for one. Speed Trader I love. If you're ever going to buy OTC stocks, take a look at my review of Speed Trader on my blog, and I really do recommend Speed Trader. It's a good platform, and it is the best for trading OTC stocks. Unfortunately not from the short side, but definitely from the long side. So, hope this helps. Check me out next time, ReaperTrades.com.